of us here have got very, very good reasons to hate Donald Trump, right? And most of us have probably got multiple reasons to hate Donald Trump. But one of the things I want to say first of all is this isn't just about Donald Trump. It's about politics in this country, it's about what our government does, it's about what Theresa May is doing, and therefore all the things that when we talk about Trump, you know, when you think about the Muslim ban, which is helping to fuel Islamophobia around the world, which is already a very, very serious question in Europe and in the United States. When you think about the hostile environment to immigrants, I mean, I think people are rightly absolutely horrified at the sight of thousands of children being taken from their parents at the Mexican border and sent thousands of miles away, and probably some of them will never ever be reunited with their parents again. I mean, it's an absolutely horrific thing. But we shouldn't forget, I mean, the point that Maxie's made about the way that the Windrush generation are treated, but not only them, if you look at what the European governments want to do, they want to build camps in Libya. They've already built camps in Turkey because they want to keep migrants outside of the European Union.